Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Heath, and today we're going to be checking out the Air 4 earbuds from SoundPeats. This is their new product. It is just come out today, so we're going to go over the ins and outs of it. We're going to tell you all about these earbuds, how well they work or how well they don't work. But anyway, let's jump in this video. Let's check these earbuds out and see what we can find out about them. All right, so here we are checking out these Air 4 earbuds. What we get whenever we open the package up, we got us a nice little box that they come with. Inside of the box, you'll find a little egg. Basically, that's what I can call it anyway. It's a little case that holds your earbuds. This is your charging case as well. It does have a USB type C connection. It does not come with a cable, so you need to provide your own USB cable to be able to charge your earbuds. As long as they are inside the box with the lid closed, they will be charging. There is a green indicator light on the front of the box that indicates how charged they are. It goes from red, yellow to green. The green indicates that they are fully charged. Red means they are under 20%. Once you take them outside of the little egg or the little case, they will pair with your phone through Bluetooth. Just like I've got them right now. I've got them stuck in my ears, as you can see right here. They're actually really comfortable. I'm not a huge earbud kind of person. I prefer headphones or a headset over earbuds. But so far, I've been wearing these for probably over an hour now, and they are actually really comfortable. They don't really feel like they're, bothering my ears or anything like that. But they are really nice. Sound quality on them is relatively decent. These earbuds can be found on Amazon. Again, this is a new release from SoundPeats. I'll leave a link for them in the description below if you want to check them out or if you want to pick them up for yourself. There is a touch sensor on each of the earbuds. Right there on the side of the earbud, there is gold writing with the letter S inside of it for the logo for SoundPeats. If you touch that, it will allow you to adjust the different settings for the earbuds. A single tap on the right ear will raise the volume. A single tap on the left ear will lower the volume. You can advance to the next track or on your playlist or YouTube video by pressing and holding the right multifunction button on the right ear for about 1.5 seconds. While doing this, it will advance to the next track once you let go of it. Controls on these earbuds are actually relatively nice. For me personally, like I said, I can't use my fingers, so I can actually control these earbuds by just touching with my knuckles. That's just how sensitive they are when it comes to the actual sensor on the earbuds themselves and being able to control. There is some software that you can use and download from the SoundPeats website. However, it is not required. The SoundPeats software is able to upgrade the firmware on your earbuds. But let's just check it out real quick. I've already set it up, already installed it. It is an APK and it is only usable on an Android device. So let me pop that up real quick and we'll show you what it looks like once you get the app downloaded, registered, and installed on your phone. So once you get the app installed and downloaded, it will automatically detect what earbuds you currently have or what you're currently using. And it brings up a little window. It checks for the firmware automatically. So if you want to update the firmware, you can automatically just go through the steps. Very easily to install the firmware. All it took was a couple of taps. Stayed within a 1/2 meter or around 1.5 feet away from your phone while it's upgrading. Process of upgrading the firmware was very streamlined. Download the update. Took about maybe around 2 or 3 minutes to update the firmware. Once the firmware update is completed, it takes you right back to this screen. It shows you the battery life for each of your earbuds. If you notice at the bottom of the screen right here on the left hand side, there is an option for bringing up some customizations for these earbuds. You can turn the volume all the way up, all the way down. You also have an equalizer as well. There's some adaptive EQ that will automatically try to adjust to whatever you are listening to at the time. You also have some preset equalizers as well that are included with the software. So let's just tap this little arrow right here. And there we go. So right now we've got our SoundPeats Classic. We've got a bass boost or bass reduction, electronic, rock and roll, folk, treble enhancement. We've got pop, and then we have classical music as well. So all these different sound profiles right here you can actually use inside of the app. So I would recommend, getting the app if you want to use it. If you don't, you're not required to use the app, but it does come in really nice and really handy. You also have a custom equalizer as well that you can make your own custom settings or own custom equalizer for your earbuds while you're using. You have 2 modes right here for noise reduction. You have an active noise canceling mode and you have normal mode. These can also be adjusted without the app. so it does not require to use the app at all. So having these features inside the app are actually really nice as well. They're very easy to control. So whenever you are changing from one mode to the other, it gives you a audible notification inside of your earbuds. And hey, Ollie, how are you doing back there, little boy? Ollie's making a video bomb while I'm doing this. But again, if you want to switch back to normal mode, it gives you the option inside of your earbuds. It says normal mode activated. There are also some other really nice features as well. You've got a game mode for while playing game. Again, another audible notification that you can hear in the earbuds when you activate it. You can also choose to disable all touch features on the earbuds. So if you just want to listen to straight up music, not have to worry about, anything, changing them or any update to them, you can just turn this on and it will deactivate all of the touch features that can be found by using the sensors on the earbud. By pressing the home key, it takes you back to the home screen and shows you the battery life for the earbuds that is remaining. So let's just tap the home button. Again, it just takes us right back to the SoundPeats Air 4 battery life page. And there we go. There's our battery life for our earbuds right there. I will say this for earbuds, they can get really, really loud. One thing I did notice while I was using that if you use just a flat, no equalizer whatsoever, if you turn it up super loud, the highs get really tinny. So taking advantage of the equalizer settings inside of the app are going to be really, really useful for you. I listened to a few songs while I was messing with it. I chose the different, EQ settings, and the EQ settings are actually doing really well. And they actually do change the sound profile for the earbuds while you're using them. I was actually really surprised that it changed the sound profile as much as it did with the included EQ. So if you're thinking about getting these earbuds and using them yourself, I would suggest downloading the app from the website and using it because the EQ features by themselves is just absolutely amazing. It does a nice job for them. Like I said, it does get really tinny if you turn it all the way up, but hopefully you're not going to be having it wide open inside of your ears. That way you don't hurt your ears while using these. Like I said, they do get really, really loud. So keep that in mind. Like I said, halfway volume was more than sufficient while I was watching videos, checking YouTube out, listening to music and things like that. All right. So what do I think about these earbuds overall? These are not like super cheap, inexpensive earbuds with low quality sound. These are kind of like middle of the road. Like I said, they're on Amazon right now for around 80 bucks if you want to pick them up. I can leave an affiliate link down below. So around 80 bucks for these earbuds. Really nice quality. The build quality on them is really good. They're comfortable, which is a big thing for me. Anytime you're going to be wearing anything at all, comfort is going to be a big issue if you're going to be wearing them. Battery life is really long. I've had these outside of the case laying on my desk for about 3 or 4 days now. And as you can see, battery life is still around 90%. While I was recording this video, it's actually taking me quite a while to record this video. So battery life has dropped, around 3% while I was recording the video. So about hour and a half, 2 hours while using them just for the video, not to mention what I use them for prior to making the video, just testing them out. Sound quality on them is actually done really good. The equalizer from the app works really well. So for 80 bucks, I mean, you couldn't go wrong. I'm sure there's some, much better earbuds out there, but I'm sure they carry a much higher price tag. But anyway, I like them, and I'll probably use them. Actually, like I said, I'm probably gonna be using them on my computer. I'm gonna grab a Bluetooth connection. That way I can plug it into a USB port and use them on my computer. That way I don't have to wear headphones. I'm not a big headphone wearer, but these are comfortable, fit really nice. They got a lot of nice features that you can use with them. Battery life is really good on them. Battery life is estimated at 26 hours. I don't know personally if they will last that long, nonstop use. But like I said, they've been sitting on my desk for about 3 days and they're only down to about 90%. The case for the earbuds are actually really nice. To drop your earbuds in there, close the lid, plug in a USB Type-C cable, let them charge. Once it quits flashing and the light is solid green, that means they are charged to 100%. But overall, great product. If you want to grab them, like I said, link down below. But anyway, these are my thoughts on the earbuds. I'm not a huge earbud user, but I know there are a lot of people out there who really, enjoy using earbuds with their phones and their tablets, devices like that. So you can't go wrong, at least in my opinion, picking these up and using them for yourself. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Appreciate all of you watching it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And until next time, much love. Peace out, and we'll see you in the next one.